beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be unbagging our IPSY Glam bag. This is one of the mystery glam bags called the Golden Glam mystery bag. This was $30 and I picked this bag up during Black Friday weekend from IPSY. It's supposed to come with 6 full-size products, so the bag, I guess, is focusing on us being golden and glowing, maybe, I don't know. So we're going to get right into this bag, but if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I do post weekly and I do post videos doing different unboxings of different subscriptions as well as hauls. Please feel free to stop and peruse some of my other videos. I'm sure you'll find something that you'll like. So for now, let's get started. So guys, we have our Golden Glam mystery bag here. We're going to break right into. I have 2 products off to the side that I'm going to show you last that came separately outside of the bag because they could not fit. So let's get into this. So we have quite a few things in here. I think it's a cute little bag for the holidays. It does give you that holiday feel. So let's start. Our first product we have is the Tarte Lights Camera Lights and Lashes mascara. And I have received this before in another bag, but basically you have Lights Camera Lashes as a 4-in-1 mascara. Everybody's pretty familiar with Tarte. They've been around forever. The color, of course, is black. I have not used this one yet, but I'll be glad to use it. You can always use mascaras. They go bad after like 3 months. So they say. I may go a little bit longer, but don't do what I do. Our next product we have is a Lauren Conrad product. And this is a eyeliner. Neat. So it's in the color Onyx, which is black. So I'm going to just pop it out of here just to show you guys. So this is the eyeliner here. And as you can see, it has a felt tip to it. And I'm going to just do a quick swatch. I would say you have to press hard, but once you get it going, it does leave a nice boldness there. Not bad, not bad. And I'm curious, is this waterproof by any chance? It is. Let's see. Shake well for first use, so shake it first. Perfectly line your lashes with rich color. True wear throughout the day. It's lightweight, non-smearing formula. Okay. Safe for contact lens wearers. Okay. Alright, so we have a liquid eyeliner. Our next product that I'm going to go on to, looks like we have a blush. Oh, it's a Purely's product, and it's a BB cheek color. So the color that we have is, what's the name of this color? Cool Mauve is the color. Cool Mauve. So this is a BB cheek color. Vitamin E plus hyaluronic acid is in this product. Creamy, lightweight, buildable, youthful glow for all skin types. So let's get in here and see what this looks like. I've never used anything. I know they have BB creams and other products, but I've never seen the cheek color from them before. So this is the color here. How does this come out? Okay, let's see what this looks like. Mauve. So guys, it is like a mauve color too. I don't know how this will perform on cheeks. I'm just going to put some on my wrist so I can show you what it looks like. It does have a real natural kind of tint to it, as you can see. Not bright at all or heavy, but there's a little color tint that I can see on my wrist. Very light, and it does look kind of naturally looking. I put it, kind of mixed it in right where the eyeliner test site was. So I'd say not too bad. I could use this. That will give you like a natural kind of look. Not overdone on the blush side. So that's different. So I'm glad to have this out. Try it out. Use it. My regular day-to-day. So guys, the next product we have is the Beauty For Real Golden Hour palette. And let's take it out of, and it does come with a mirror. I'm just going to fold it down so I can show you guys the colors. And these are very pretty. I do remember getting a palette like this before. I'm not going to dig in here because I would like to show you guys what I already have. So I'm just going to take a swatch out of one that I already have. But these are some very beautiful colors here. I think you can make a lot of nice looks out of here, don't you think? Hey guys, so I'm back. I went and got my golden hour palette. I guess I'm gonna give the other one away as a gift to someone, but this is what she looks like. I'm gonna do a quick couple of swatches. As you can see, I've already been in here playing a bit, and I can just show you guys what it looks like. So guys, I swatched my hand with the top row colors just so you guys can have an idea of what it looks like. The only one that didn't show up that well on me was this color here. I would definitely say you probably need to put some kind of base on underneath, because if you're darker like me, then it may need a couple of, you need something to kind of build it on. But that's the top row. And let me swatch the bottom for you guys so you can see what that look like as well. So the bottom colors, guys, is what I did the other hand here with, just so you know what it looks like. So they're nice colors. I think you can do a lot with them, especially around the holiday time. I think you guys will have a lot to play with if you got this golden hour palette in yours. But again, I've already had this in mind, so I'm gonna give this away to someone as a gift and let them enjoy it. Since I already have one, no need to be hoarding palettes here, so we're not going to do that. So guys, I got 2 more products to go. We have a Tokyo Milk Light and Soul Shea Butter Hand Cream. I'm not familiar with this brand. Let's see what this looks like in here. I like the presentation. It's like a present. Okay, so this is how it comes out. You can always use hand lotion, especially now, because I stay ashy right about now. But this is neat. I've never heard of this brand before. And our very last product, guys, is going to be a Juice Beauty product. So we have a Juice Beauty SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. So I know my friend, she loves Juice Beauty products. I haven't had that much exposure to them, so this will be a great way for me to try it out. This is another full-size product we got here, and this is what it looks like outside of its packaging. And I'd say I spent $30. I think I definitely got my money's worth for what the products were that we had in the bag. Brands that I definitely am familiar with and unfamiliar with. But I thought this was a great bag. Let me guys know what you thought about this bag. Is there anything in here you're really excited to see? Or have you seen some of this stuff already and then you're not that excited? So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about my bag. But for $30, I think I definitely got my money's worth. I know Juice Beauty products are a bit pricey. Even Tarte products can be a bit pricey. And we got a liner, we got hand lotion, we got an eyeshadow palette, and a cheek stain. So I think that was dope. So let me know what you think, guys. And until I see you in my next video, stay blessed, stay warm. Bye.